Have you ever used a sound from CapCut or any other free music site, uploaded your video, and then bam, you get hit with a copyright claim? Frustrating, right? If you're wondering whether CapCut sounds are really free, you're not alone. Well, today I'm here to answer a common question. How do you check if CapCut sounds are truly copyright free? And most importantly, where can you go to get sounds that won't cause an issue with your content? After watching this video, you will never, never ask questions about where to get free sounds again. And trust me, the sound problem in your content creation journey will be solved. Take this from someone with a few copyright claims in her videos. I did the mistake, so you won't do it again. 1. Understand copyright and CapCut sounds. First, let's clear this up. What copyright does is it protects the creator's work, including music. So when you use a sound without proper rights or permission, you're risking a copyright claim, even if you found it in CapCut. CapCut offers a music library, but not all sounds are copyright free. Some are licensed for personal use only, meaning they might not be safe in platforms like YouTube. Imagine you're at a party and a DJ plays a popular song. You decide to record a short video of the party with that song playing in the background. You upload the video to your personal WhatsApp status or share it privately with friends. That's personal use. It's just for fun, not for profit, and only your close circle sees it. Now let's say you use that same video and upload it to YouTube or TikTok as part of a vlog to gain views, subscribers, or even money. That's commercial use because you're sharing it publicly and potentially benefiting from it. If the song is licensed for personal use only, it is safe. It is fine for your WhatsApp status, but not okay for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Using the sound will lead to a copyright claim and your video being taken down. How do you check and what's the process? Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly where to find the terms and ensure you're using safe sounds. 2. How to check if a sound is copyright free. Here's how to check if a CapCut sound has clear terms. Step 1. Click on the sound you want to use and look for the licensing details. And hey, if you don't see licensing details about CapCut, that's a red flag. You can always verify outside the app. So we're gonna open CapCut, click on new project, click on audio, then our recommended sounds will be shown to us from the music library. As you can see, there are lots of sounds, so we're gonna go with the free sound from Denzel Music. And yeah, copyright check for export, copyright check for posting on YouTube. They said before sharing a non-commercial video to TikTok, check whether all the sounds used in it will have copyright issues. Remember, they said it's for TikTok and not for YouTube. They have their reasons. Sounds licensed for non-commercial use on TikTok. Step 2. If you still want to use a sound anyways, upload it to YouTube, but you're gonna double check by uploading a private video. YouTube will flag any copyrighted material during its processing, but you'll be doing this at the risk of your own time and data, because at the end of the day, after discovering that okay, there is a copyright claim, you might want to delete the video or maybe remove the sound, and that is literally time wasted. Use platforms like YouTube's own audio library or copyright-free music sites for other alternatives. Don't worry, I'm gonna link a few great options in the descriptions below. To be on the safe side, always read CapCut terms of use or licensing agreement. Let's see. It's a long list. I took time to study it, so you won't do that again. This long agreement simply means personal use is fine. You can use the sounds for your personal projects like making videos to share with family and friends or on your private social media accounts. It also means commercial use has limits. If you're using the sounds meant for public platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, where you make money and grow your brand, some sounds may not be allowed unless they are specifically marked as free for commercial use. 3. Where to find reliable copyright-free music. Now, if you're tired of worrying about copyright music, here are some reliable sources for free and safe sound. Drum rolls, please. 1. YouTube's own audio library. This site is perfect for all creators. The music in my videos are from YouTube's audio library. So as from today, make use of it. It is free and 100% safe. Not only for YouTube, but for other platforms. And the good news is you can download to CapCut and use it whenever you want. 2. Epidemic Sound. Paid, but worth it for high quality tracks. I don't use Epidemic Sounds for now, but if you have money to pay for subscription, go ahead and invest. 3. Free Music Archive or Pixabay. These platforms have free songs for commercial and non-commercial use. And one good thing about Pixabay is that it provides clear details. It provides clear licensing details. So you won't have to second guess if the sound is free to use or not. 4. Download and import sounds into CapCut. You've seen a sound that you really like, but you don't know how to import it into CapCut. Great! Here's how to do that. Download the audio file into your phone or computer. Step 2. Open CapCut, click on Add Audio, then head over to External sources and upload your downloaded sound. It's that simple. By using external audio sources, you're protecting yourself from copyright claims and still creating great content. Here's the bottom line. CapCut sounds can be... Wait. CapCut sounds are too risky if you don't verify its terms. Always double check licensing info or just go straight to external sources. I'm going to tell you this for free. Most of the CapCut sounds that are licensed for commercial use are not for YouTube. They're for TikTok. Yes. So if there is something you would take away from this video, take this one out. CapCut is too risky. As a pro tip, there is a difference between free music and free sound effects. What I mean is sound effects like they are general sounds, and trust me, you will not get a copyright claim for using that, even if it's from CapCut, because yeah, that's what I use. So protect your content, protect your channel, and save yourself the stress of copyright claims. If you found this video helpful, check out my other content on how to generate unlimited content ideas. And if you've got more questions about copyright or content creation tips, drop them in the comments. I'm always here to help you. Yep.